So we're taking a walk on over to the Black Jill again here in Guthrie, Oklahoma. And I have my ovilus this time, hoping that maybe it'll open up the line of communication. The first thing it said when I opened it was, surprise! I'm telling you that this thing is so much fun. I don't know how accurate they are, but to tell you the truth, I just use it just to open the line of communication. So we will find out if it helps at all around the Black Gel. Talk soon. This building's history didn't end as a jail. After serving as a Nazarene church, it later became tied to the Samaritan cult led by Linda Green. Her life and her death remained linked to an unsolved murder. Some stories fade and others never close. Oh, wow! A window has been broken. A window has been broken here. That's pretty interesting. I can't tell if my ovilus is on anymore. But I've never seen that. Interesting. Yeah, one of the panels has been taken off. I wish we could see inside. Oh, my husband's almost tall enough. Oh, not quite tall enough. It would be cool to see the inside of this. Oh no, look. Here's another panel off. Oh my goodness, there is. Oh my goodness. Oh, I've never got to see the inside of this place. Wow. Okay. This is pretty incredible. It's the first time. There's only one window around the corner that reveals what this building once was. And for a time, it was one of the most feared places in the territory. Some witnesses have claimed to see a woman in early 1900s clothing seen outside, stepping calmly through the wall as if it were never there. One inmate, James Phillips, never made it to the gallows. As he watched them being built, he collapsed in his cell. The coroner ruled his death as fright. Others have reported the sounds of children's laughter when no children are around. Since 1892, this building has changed roles again and again. From jail to church, and some say even a school. Yet certain corners still feel as if they remember every life that passed through them, and every death. Although I didn't catch any EVPs, we weren't meant to see inside this building, but I'm so glad we did.